guys, I am Daud from the Keto Algo. Here in this video I am going to explain you about the Google Earth Engine. Google Earth Engine is a very much useful if you are already working with the remote sensing data, or if you want to learn about remote sensing, and if you have basic knowledge of Python or JavaScript, you can start with the Google Earth Engine code editor. But as you have to be very much focused to learn the remote sensing. So Google Earth Engine is a web-based IDE for the Earth Engine JavaScript API. Code editor features are designed to make developers complex geospatial workflows fast and easy. It is a cloud-based platform where Google has made a vast amount of remotely sensed data accessible for researchers, scientists, and other users for remote sensing. You can simply access and process the data using the API on this web platform. And as it is a cloud based, so it will mix your speedy execution of algorithms and workflows of the data. Here you can analyze different satellites data, so that's why Google has set up a large processing platform that's available through their website, through their application Google Earth Engine, that allows us to able to process large amount of data quickly, which is not possible in our local devices. So now, why will you use Google Earth Engine? So it has a large amount of catalog of remote sensing dataset, including multispectral, radar, aerial, climate, land cover, vector, etc. It provides great amount of computation power, and it has rich JavaScript API and support for Python hosted on GitHub. No need to download or keep up to date. All you need to a modest internet connection. So how does the Google Earth Engine code editor works? You can write the custom codes in the workspace, and the code gets sent to the server, and the server sends you the response. In this platform, you can use JavaScript or the Python to write your code. But I will suggest you to write the codes in the JavaScript because it has large number of APIs through JavaScript. Here you don't need to find the datasets anywhere else because Google Earth Engine provides large amount of dataset just by typing, like suppose Landsat 8. You will get the dataset all you want. So if I want to import just raw datas, you can click, and just clicking by the import, you can import the data. Here you can see the bands of the Landsat 8, and here it given the image properties for the dataset. So just by clicking import, I can import the datasets very easily. So for using the Earth Engine, you first need to sign up. So let's see how you will create the Google Earth Engine account. Now I will show you how you can create your Google Earth Engine account. The first link will pop up, click on that link, and in the platform option you will see the code editor option. So in this account I haven't created the Google Earth Engine account still, so that's why it's asking for me to sign up. The sign up page has popped up, and just fill up the form giving the name here. In this option, here it is saying that which organization are you a part of. Give a homepage URL if possible. So I will give the homepage URL of my institute. The institute type you can give according to yours. I will suggest you, if you are a student, just give the academia. Give your country name here, And here it is asking for you like why would you like to accomplish the earth engine. So like give a small reasons like why you want to use the Google Earth engine. Right. So I have write down a sample explanation like why I want to use the Google Earth engine. You can give why you want to use the Google Earth engine. Like if you want to use Google Earth engine for your projects or for your research, you can give the explanation here. There is no problem about that. So just by clicking I agree, submit the option. Now you can see it gives me the permission to access the Google Earth engine code editor. Here in the left panel, you can see the upper left panel contains the three tabs: scripts, docs, and asset. The script tabs contain examples for different operations. In the docs tab, you can see the various functions and the variables. And in the asset tabs, you can save your scripts. Now in this upper center panel, it is a text editor. Here you can write and edit code here and to execute your script. This script has the get link button where by clicking the get link button you will get a link to share. And here is the option for the run the script, and you can reset the whole code which is written in the script. And it has the apps option, the which script will save. You can see it has a inspector for querying the map. During viewing the result, you can get the specific information about the pixel, as you can see. And then there is a console tab which shows the JavaScript output here. As you can see, I have written a code, and if I click on the run, it will show the output. And in the task tab, it will contain the task that you have executed. For example, when you export or import an data or image, it will show the tasks here. So thank you everyone. This is the end of the video. If you find the video informative, please consider to like the video. And for getting more information about the remote sensing in future, please do subscribe our channel. Bye bye.